Alright, you guys, I wasn't going to do it this way, but I decided what the heck, why not? Alright, so here is the dip powder from Sparkle and Co, the whole dip system. If you're in the United States, I will ship you the whole system. If you are international, you will only get to pick a couple of the dips. And you guys commented on what was your favorite of the fall into winter. So if you win and you want those colors that you picked, I am going to have, it is going to take like a few days, a week for me to get it out because I'll have to reorder those. So let's stick the URL in here. You can get the YouTube comments. What that? Okay. Jeez Louise. Alright, I copied the URL from the top of the screen instead of the actual video, so there we go. Judy, you won. Judinka Nail Art is the winner. And I gotta make sure because she may have not, I don't know. Let me make sure with her because she may not have entered. She may have just commented, so. Alright, because see, she said, these dips are absolutely stunning and I really like the jewelry as well. Thanks for sharing. So I don't know if she meant to enter. So I'm going to go ahead and pick another winner and I'll just delete this part. If she answers back and said, yeah, I was entering. Alright, so Judinka got back with me and said, no, go ahead and pick somebody else. Pick somebody else that, that entered. She was just commenting. So that was very sweet of her. And thank you, Judinka. Alright, let's go ahead and finish the video because I did go ahead and pick another winner just in case because she usually doesn't enter. But she's so sweet to watch my videos and comment. Alright, Bates, you're the winner. You'll need to email me. My email address is in the description box below. Congratulations. You're going to win the whole dip system and 2 colors of your choice. Alright, now we're going to move on to numbers. So for the 7-piece Maniology stamping kit, I numbered everybody. I gave everybody a number or 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So all the numbers are in the comments and generate numbers. And number 158. Alright, here are all the numbers for the international, for the 2 plates, and I just copied everybody's names that was international. If they shared my video, they got an extra entry, and then there wasn't very many, so I just doubled everybody. So everybody got double or triple their entries. So we have 25 of those on international. And generate number. And number 16. So we can immediately see who won that because I I'll have to look back on the video to see who the other winner was because I have no idea. Number 16 is Wink 360. Alright, thanks everybody. Check your number and check your comments. I will comment on your comment again if you won. And I'll also pin it at the top of each video that as a giveaway who the winners were, and also in my community tab. And thank you all for entering, and stay tuned. I have giveaways all the time. Aw, is it you, Bat? It's you, Bat. Gams bought you for Halloween. Aw. Yay! Augie is not impressed. What's the matter, Augie? You don't like that bat?
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.